Hey Kel, how many hours a day do you sit at this desk?
I don't know, probably 4 or 5 hours.
That's a long time. She's heading off to college. I know plenty of people that sit at a desk or home office chair, whatever you got. Today we are here to explain how to overcome sitting at a desk and the pain that comes with it. First step to undoing the desk is to make sure you're stacked in a good position. Here you'll see her head is in front of her body. That's going to get really heavy, Kel. I want you to sit up straight, maybe even consider standing. Stack your head over your ribs, over your hips, and roll your shoulders back. This is going to keep you without neck pain and feeling a lot fresher throughout the day. Second thing we're going to do, instead of looking down and hunching into that computer screen or texting, get at eye level. So you will be working on a visual plane that doesn't have you hunching forward once again. Last piece of this, when you are feeling achy, tired, strained through your eyes, upper back or neck, you're going to take a lacrosse ball or tennis ball and head over to the wall. You're going to pin this guy right between your back and the wall. Go ahead and lean back. You can move up and down as you like, but really massage through those sore, tight muscles. Get your head over your body again. Yeah. Maybe move around a little bit. Yep. And you'll work through any of those muscles that feel sore and tight from sitting at your desk. There are a few other longer-term solutions as well. So first off, set yourself with a reminder or alarm to get up every half hour, walk around, stretch out your hips, get yourself moving so you don't feel so tight sitting there the whole time. Secondly, you can look at a sit-stand desk or even a standing desk with a fidget bar underneath so you're propped up in a good position and moving about, and again, not sitting just on those back muscles of your butt and your hamstrings all of the day, waiting for your back to get sore and stiff. Last tip I have for you, next time you're on a Zoom meeting, every time a speaker changes, challenge yourself to get up, go for 10 squats. It works best if your video is off, but that little movement break should help you feel better and less like you're just blah in the middle of your Zoom video conference. Give these tips a shot and hopefully these will help you while you're sitting at your desk for those long days. If you liked what you saw, go ahead and click subscribe down below and comment with what your favorite stretch is while you're sitting at your desk.